It's not the destination, it's all in the journey.
Hey everyone, this is Rick from RVGettingThere.com, your free travel concierge. We help you make journeys more memorable. And here is today's road trip candy. Now, in case you don't know, they're called road trip candy because they are a treat to stop at. You can stretch your legs and put a big old smile on your face. Now, these are places I'm guessing aren't on your bucket list, but should be because they are a great reason to take a break from the driving monotony. Now, today we're going to travel to the southeast to the state of North Carolina and the town of Mount Airy. Now, it's a small town located in the upper, not the lower Yadkin Valley as you may get mixed up by. And they're near the Virginia state line with spectacular views of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Why are we here? Because Mount Airy was the hometown of Andy Griffith and is where his show was inspired by. The town considered itself the real version of, I can't whistle, Mayberry. When you stop and sit a spell, you can take in the Andy Griffith Museum, go to Wally's filling station, the Mayberry courthouse, get a haircut at Floyd's Barber shop, eat at the Snappy Lunch counter, and then pose with a TV Land dedicated statue of Andy and Opie walking to the lake. You can even take a tour of all the sights sitting in a Mayberry squad car. I dare you not to whistle when you are there. Well, this has been Rick from RVGettingThere.com with your road trip candy of the day. See you tomorrow with another true America destination. Wishing you more memories per mile.